My secret for making under-eye bags disappear. Hello beautiful people. Today I'm doing a different kind of video than I usually do. When I started my channel and came up with the name Fabulous Life One-on-One, the idea was to do lifestyle videos focusing on all the different areas of my life that make things more fabulous. My slogan, look fabulous, feel fabulous, be fabulous. Fabulous Life One-on-One. A big part of that is the mind and spirit connection, sharing meditations, affirmations, techniques, wisdom from books I've read, things that I've already been doing in my videos. Another part of life that makes it fabulous is the little pleasures, the things you do for yourself, whether it be fashion, makeup, movies, music, travel, food, all of these things that make you feel better about yourself and raise your vibration. See, it's all connected. Today I want to share a video featuring one of my passions, makeup, and also solving a problem that I know many people have, something that I've dealt with for most of my life. That is getting rid of bags under your eyes. This video is for anyone that's had problems with bags, lines, dark circles, creases, anything, hollows underneath your eyes. It's something I started with dark circles as a teenager, and as I get older, little lines form. And it's just something that really bothers me, and I feel like I've done all kinds of things looking for ways to treat it. And I found a simple temporary solution that I'm hoping may help some of you as well. I'm going to share it today. Hello beautiful people. Today I'm going to focus on a problem that a lot of us have, something I've dealt with for most of my life. It's gotten worse as I've gotten older, and that is under eye bags. I've tried every type of concealer, cream, even injections. Finally, after lots of experimenting, using first the instructions on the product, also using videos other people have made, I found a combination of tricks that actually works. First, let me show you just a few of the products that I've tried over the years. This is the one I'm using today, the Peter Thomas Roth. This one's called Luma. It's also very good, does the trick. This one, I'm sure you've heard about Plexiderm. Same results. And this is Predaray. This is the most expensive of the ones I've tried. And the results are pretty much equal with any of these. All of them, basically what they do is they form like a shield over your bags. And it's sort of like Spanx for the eyes, because it tightens the area under the bags temporarily. The problem of it is with any of these things, once you apply moisturizer, concealer, any kind of makeup to it, the effect disappears and you're back to having bags. I found a remedy and I'm sharing it with you now. Okay, we start by priming the face. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Primer for the main part of my face and Milk Hydro for the area around my eyes. Now you let that set about 30 seconds, and I usually take that time to do my brows. Next, I'm doing my foundation. I am today using Stila Hide and Chic foundation, and the color I use is Light 4. It's just the color that works best for my skin. This, of course, is available at Sephora, Ulta, Amazon, a lot of places. And I'm using a brush. I use a foundation brush to just sort of tap this in. After the brush, I'll smooth it over a little bit with the Blendiful as well. This is the Tati Beauty Blendiful. Okay, now what I do, it works best for me, is because of fallout and all, I do my shadows before I actually do my under eye concealer. Okay, today I'm going a little dramatic with the eyeshadow I'm using. the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. Isn't this luscious? Yes. I found I'd go a lot more dramatic on the eyes ever since we're wearing masks all the time. Now onto the concealers. Okay, the first thing I'm using is a color corrector, and I use actually like a little bit of this yellow color, and I put that on right in the crease. I don't do too much blending with just that. Then after the color corrector, I use my concealer. Be careful not to put the concealer in too thick. That's great if you're like a 20-year-old YouTuber, but if you're a woman over 40, it can set into lines. So I just put a little light dusting of concealer, put it around here, the inside of my nose, right under my brow line, and then I will blend with a sponge. Okay, now I'm going to like finish off my face, everything but the mascara and the lips, okay? I'm going to use a little bit of this highlighter. This is sort of a combination blush and highlighter. It's a peach frost. And a little bit of powder. More Jeffree stuff. Yeah, he recently had a sale and I went crazy. Okay, now the powder. I try to avoid putting too much powder right in the under eye area. And this is where the trick starts. Before doing the treatment, I take a setting spray. This one I'm using is the NYX Matte Finish. And I spray a little bit on my blender. And then I go in and pat the area under the eye. Notice I still have the bags. The concealer did not completely get rid of the bags. You let that set and it dries into a skin-like texture. Now this is also the time, if I'm going to wear contacts, I put in my lenses. So I'm going to do that right now. Makeup is done, my lenses are in. I take my Peter Thomas Roth and I do the little magic. Shake it first. And I put a little bit on my palm of my hand. Just a little dab. A little bit on my finger. And gently dab the area. Just gently touch it, don't rub. Gently pat all around the area where the hollow is. All in the other eye. Now let that set a little bit, and while that's setting, I work on my lips. Starting with a little lip liner. Try to keep the eyes as expressionless as possible so you're not stretching the skin while this is setting. Okay, y'all, it's set. Notice the difference? Now, last step, mascara. Let's curl the lashes. And the look is done. During the day, if you find it starts to flake or anything, take a little tissue, just dot the flakes away with the tissue. If you need to retouch during the day, just first use a concealer sponge, then use the Peter Thomas Roth. But usually I'm good for the day with this. And oh, the final step, this helps it to last. I take a mistier, like this is a very fine mist setting spray. And I'll take this setting spray after everything is done, and I just, Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you had any luck yourself with any of these tricks. If you're not a radio subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications. Look fabulous, feel fabulous, be fabulous, Fabulous Life 101. Peace, love, and light.